Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make some ice cream with the Play-doh. First, let's find out all the colors that we have on the table. This is green. This is white, and I'm going to use it for ice cream. This is pink. And this is also pink. This is orange. And this is blue. Okay, are you guys ready to do it with me? Let's do it together. First, I'm going to use this cone. And let's take the ice cream out of the jar. Here's the ice cream. Okay, great. That is the first ice cream. Next, I'm going to use the screen. And I'm going to shove the screen in here. Alright, I'm going to put in some more. This is not going to be enough. Alrighty, that is the first ice cream, guys. Let's put it aside and let's start making the second one. I'm going to use this pink for the ice cream. Good. Here's the ice cream. I'm going to shove it in here. Okay, great guys. That is our second ice cream. Alright, let's start doing the third ice cream. And I'm going to use this blue. Here's a blue. That is the first scoop. Let's do one more. Right, that is the second one. And I'm going to use this orange. Going to shove the orange in here. Great. Now we just have to make the whipped cream, the orange whipped cream on top.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Okay, great. Now we have all 3 ice creams.
And there was Captain
They look so delicious, guys.
folks about him.
Yay!
Proud, so tarnal, proud,
That's it for the
feel
video.
not without
If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe.
Yankee
And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Mind the music
Bye bye.